Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of investment options out there? Especially when you're just starting your journey? It's a common feeling. You hear terms like brokerage account, ETFs, and robo-advisors, and it can all sound like a foreign language. But what if there was a platform that promised to simplify everything, making it genuinely easy for new investors to jump in? That platform is M1 Finance. And the big question is M1 a good idea for beginners? Let's break down the pros and cons in the next few minutes. What is M1 Finance? First, a little context. M1 Finance isn't a traditional brokerage, nor is it a pure robo-advisor. It's kind of a hybrid. M1 allows you to create investment portfolios called pies. You design these pies by selecting stocks and ETFs, assigning a percentage to each one. M1 then automatically invests your money according to those percentages. It's about automation and customization. You set the recipe, and M1 does the cooking. The pros: why M1 shines for beginners. For someone just starting out, M1 has some seriously attractive features. 1. The power of pies. This is M1's killer feature. The pie structure is incredibly intuitive. Instead of thinking, I need to buy 5 shares of this and 2 shares of that, you think in terms of percentages. I want 60% of my money in a broad stock ETF, 30% in a bond ETF, and 10% in this specific tech stock. It's a fantastic visual tool that teaches you about asset allocation, the most critical concept in long-term investing, without the confusing math. 2. Automatic rebalancing. As your investments grow, some will outperform others. Your 60/30/10 pie might turn into a 65/25/10 pie, making it riskier. M1 automatically handles the rebalancing for you. When you deposit new money, it directs those funds to the underweight, or lagging, investments. This forces you to buy low and keeps your portfolio aligned with your original risk tolerance. It's discipline on autopilot. 3. Fractional shares and zero commissions. Like most modern brokerages, M1 offers zero commission trades. Even better, it supports fractional shares. This means if a stock costs $1,000 and you only have $100 to invest, M1 buys you 1/10 of a share. You can invest every dollar you have without worrying about stock prices, making it incredibly accessible for people with small initial amounts. The cons: the learning curve and limitations. While M1 is great, it's not perfect, and beginners need to be aware of a few downsides. 1. Limited trading windows. M1 only has 1 trading window per day, or 2 if you subscribe to M1 Plus. This is a big difference from apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, where you can buy or sell instantly. M1 is built for long-term, set-it-and-forget-it investing. If you want to day trade or buy an asset based on breaking news, M1 will frustrate you. For beginners, this can actually be a pro by preventing emotional trading, but it is a limitation. 2. No tax loss harvesting. Unlike a true robo-advisor like Betterment or Wealthfront, M1 does not offer automatic tax loss harvesting. This is a sophisticated strategy that can save you money on taxes by selling losing investments to offset gains. It's an advanced feature, but it's something you miss out on with